thing about it, dog, no, there's no other artist, bro, will have the capacity as a Masicka have when they come out to making music right now. None. That's the reason Masicka not have no competition, bro. Bro,
Jumping at that realist. So the man say Masicka don't have no competition in a dancehall. You don't know, say a dancehall debate we do. And over the years, we've been comparing Masicka to a Alkaline. But what I want to ask the people when I watch the video right now, and you can tell me in the comment section, you feel like say Masicka surpass Alkaline?
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox, no. Yeah, man, you know what things said. You know what say, Wiz? But the thing say you really have sense, you know, bro. You can tell me, say, you are gonna pull up foolish youth. Brother, them man they not no sense, brother. Them man they everything I found out of them man them out there, brother, are delusional, bro. You understand? Because me can't believe say you pull up a Crocs man by your video, bro, and you say, yo, me don't know how Alkaline forward na this. You understand? But we are making people them know what I say. Cause bro, it's like if you get up every day with this Dululu thing, bro. Every day you compare. I try to put up Masicka against Alkaline, bro. And bro, Masicka still the Nigeria or whatever try market himself, brother. You understand? It's like when I make a thing even worse for the artist. You see me? But people, when I feel listen, what them I say?
This is what real estate officer right now, cause yo, the dog say some things.
brother, we can't tell this, bro. You think about it, you know, dog. Not be real with it, bro. You think about it, dog. No, there's no other artist, bro, will have the capacity as a Masicka have when they come out to making music right now. None. That's the reason Masicka not have no competition, bro. Bro, when I think, what kind of affect them, people. Big woman thing. When I think what kind of affect them, right?
Hold on, before you jump into that realist. So the man say Masicka don't have no competition in a dancehall. You don't know, say a dancehall debate we do. And over the years, we've been comparing Masicka to a Alkaline. But I want to ask the people when I watch the video right now, and you can tell me in the comment section, you feel like say Masicka surpass Alkaline? That's what I admit. Hit song. I don't want to even get too much opinion, come on, you're a realist, you say first and foremost. But I guess if you talk about hit song, like, I definitely have to say, yo, Masicka kind of have some song where majority of dancehall kind of gravitate to. Up to this day, I really say, yo, White's still a play. White's active. White's a song where, if it come on right now, I feel like say people are gonna still react to it good and bust a blank and everything. So even me now, I don't know how I consume music, but I consume music like using YouTube music in my car when I drive. Some man use Spotify, some man, yo, I pay for YouTube premium, so I get the YouTube music in.
Riz, yo, brother, we can't believe say you only just talk about one song a while ago, brother. One song. And you gonna talk about hits. So you only pull up one song, brother. You say, yo, that conversation there, to see if Masicka surpass Alkaline. Bro, how you think about them thing there, brother? Like, when you see the evidence in the space, you see the show them and the crowd them when Alkaline are pull, brother. Masicka is not pulling that crowd. I mean, we are talking about pull the crowd by himself. He's not doing that, bro. You understand? You are talking about hit songs, brother. You just only call out one song a while ago. Masicka dropped some hot song and I feel like say a hit. See the man go Nigeria where and the girl ask him about Shensi a hit and run collab. And the girl say, she never know say him and she do collab, but she know the song about Shensi. And I run with it. I say him do this and do that. I tell him say, brother, the outside world different. You understand? Yeah, say yo, when the song them, the hot song them when Masicka drop, you feel like the surpassing thing. Me don't know who to get by surpass, brother. Where the metrics there? If you say Masicka surpass Alkaline. Tell me the metrics, bro. Because Masicka now do no certain levels of Alkaline and the brother. You understand? The man signed to a label and he's like, bro, wagwan. A man we drop so much hit song and we can't see him pull at least 10,000 crowd, brother. Or in our arena or something. Remember my Alkaline busting at the same timeline, you know. How him in an arena talk, if him did not carry that heavyweight there. I pull arena, headliner, arena show by himself. Eh? Bro, I tell you say on a delusional dog, I tell you that.
Included. So that me listen music too. And sometimes, we just make a playlist run. And if a whites come on, honestly, I'm not mad at it. When I skip it, I still rock with it and I feel the energy from my whites. If I mute forward on, I still feel mute. If I autocrat forward on, I still feel it. So Masicka have several songs right now which are still relevant. You get what I say? So he must say in terms of, I don't know, hit song, him kind of outperform Alkaline. Vendetta people feel a type of way about that. Because Alkaline drop music theme fan base and fan base love it. But if you talk about in general, the whole of dancehall, I don't know, I listen myself.
No, if you realize it, though. Me sure when I say no, affect them and I trouble them right now. Masicka, right? Masicka, they can't find a competition for Masicka. They might try force out competition for Masicka, but they can't find a competition. They more Masicka have a competition.
So what am I saying now? Despite the clash of one recently, Tammy Lee is still no competition. Some people are going to say, yo, Tammy Lee win the clash recently. Some people are going to say Masicka win the clash. It's subjective in my mind because we can't go around the fact that Tammy Lee gets some banger out of the clash. And if I check it, yo, Tammy Lee song them still a stream up to right now. He sang them in the clash because if I look at the views them are fly up right now. 2.8 million and them something there.
But the thing is that, bro, if it's evident, brother, you can alright, if you're in a boxing ring, right? And you're in a man box and you walk out of the ring without doing the last punch or the last knockout, bro, you lose, bro. You lose. You understand? So you can't run and I say, yo, you kill a man and then go drop a EP and I say it work. You understand? That now go so, brother. You see me? Cause I him run from the war. Tammy Lee did a drop song after that, brother. But him not drop nothing. I think after what? Death Row? Him not drop nothing after Death Row, bro. Him run and then go drop EP. So you can't say, yo, Masicka win or no opponent when a him run, him drop the last song, a man drop song. Him not reply back to that song there. And that's how it work, brother. Same like in a boxing. If you do that and cut out of the ring and walk down, boy, you lose. Disqualify, brother. You understand?
Some man might say, yo, because if I have music video, Masicka not drop no music video. So Masicka music is more impactful because that's audio. And him still get run up in millions. I don't know, like I say, it's debatable. We're not going to tell me in the comment section. But overall, we really say, I'm not saying I agree or disagree, but I just want to listen to what the dog say. But what he must say right now is that Tammy Lee literally are two different generations, so you still can't put him up against a Masicka. You dig what I say? Alright.
You understand? It can make Masicka look too superior in a film eyes. Right? Can I pray this? Better me, people.
Yo, me I tell you them little Crocs, man, foolish youth, you know. Yo, the man I can't reason a dog. I be a fan, but him, yo, that I tell you.
Have Shaba Ninja Man, that's all. Ninja, no, sorry, them like Ninja Man and Super Cat. You have Beanie and Bunty. You have Faggy and Movado. You understand? But now you have Masicka and it's like nobody else. You see me?
So what real youth are doing now, I'm going to completely irritate the vendetta. It's like you never look on Alkaline as any kind of relevant as it pertains to Masicka.
Brother, irritate Alkaline, irritate vendetta. Brother, Masicka is not, Masicka only a drain film career, you know, bro. Him in a competition with film self, you know, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we know that Masicka ain't pulling no weight, bro. We see the crowd, them. We see Masicka perform down at Mobile. Bro, about less than 300 people, brother. Or less than 200, brother. Him not really pull no weight, brother. Or the bag of hype up about hot songs and all of them things. We know so when him go out there in the world, him not really set no history. Him not really. You understand? We not hear him a sold out now, brother. You understand? We show where you see him a sold out place with over 10,000 people. Him not do that. You understand? So we know so him not pull no weight, bro. I just in a little Jamaican circle. You understand? So I don't know. Him a war with himself. You understand? I don't know what I mean. Cause we foolish youth I say, you know, I'm a Masicka cousin, I'm vlogger. Him there wrote him all road. I just a yes man talk, delusional talk. That's all him a go say, brother. Cause we must say that even make no sense, bro.
But I'm want to find out from Uno if I agree. I must have to admit the fact that Alkaline has been kind of laid back in the dancehall for a little while. You get me? I say the type of song them I put out. I want to call it club banger. I don't know, say yo, as singles and them something you need some club banger. Alkaline been a experiment and I come with some different styles, some different flavor. Vendetta people them love it. But I don't know if on an old dancehall really I say, alright, Alkaline is one of the front running of dancehall. You get me? I say, in terms of the new generation. Masicka is more of a hybrid because him is not really new generation, but him are reigning at the new generation time. And the younger artists them kind of look up to him and I say, yo, yeah, this man at the forefront right now. So really I say, yo, Alkaline not even relevant to the conversation right now. And to me that kind of disrespectful still. Kind of curious for you how Vendetta feel about that. But continue with your one.
So to them, that's going to make you look too superior, bro. And nobody else is there to give him a challenge. But now, who else can be there to give Masicka a challenge? Make it be real. Bro, them a Masicka up on the level, bro. There's no artist on Masicka level. So who are going to dare to give him a challenge? Make it make sense.
Yo, I kinda agree with what I'm saying now. What I say is true. Nobody not depend on Masicka level. Masicka depend on one level by himself. Everybody else depend on a bigger level than him. So I understand when you say who depend on theme level, nobody depend on theme level. Everybody depend on a bigger level than him. So I understand why you say that. I don't know what you mean by levels. Masicka is not pulling no wave, bro. You understand? Like him I say, bro, which artist, tell me people, which young artist are one of the artists where you hear about and I say, yo, Alkaline, me rate and all of them good thing there. Which artist? How much artists are out and say that? Young artists, I say, yo, I'm look up to Masicka. Brother, Masicka not pull no weight, bro. You understand?
And in terms of level, a lot of people go say, yo, remember say Vybz Kartel is still active right now, but in my opinion, Vybz Kartel is of a different generation, right? Yeah, we have to agree, say, yo, 2 generations over Masicka. So, I feel like say, we will never see a clash between a Masicka and a Vybz Kartel. But hold on. We are going to see a clash indirectly because it's going to be a clash of hit song versus hit song. I feel like for 2026, Vybz Kartel, despite the fact that yo, you say you done with badness, you're not a clash fam. If people are going to compare everything you do to a Masicka. So it's going to turn into a hit song clash. If Masicka forward, I say within a February right now, so 2 months down, and we really don't see no lead out song yet in a dancehall. I really the way you feel like really run off a place right now. So I'm juggling a run off dancehall right now. We don't really see the big impactful song that we say, yo, this is a song you run off a place like, oh, we have a squash and big breeze or a white star, you know?
Brother, you chat madness, bro. Because you understand, you're not depend on the ground for see what going on. You understand? I kind of realize, say, oh, no thought, delusional. You understand? Because you going to say the what left thing and whatsoever, brother. Brother, that is just a little hot rhythm, a bag of artists step on that, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, no emotions, I mash up the place same way. See the video them, everything. But we understand when I go forward out and maybe now go get Alka that credit. But anyway, take it, the streets alone can tell you, bro. You see me? It can tell you. A lot of songs out there and thing. You see me? It's just that the YWF, you don't know about the artists I go on that and you see me? You are going to sing a leading song. I guess, I hope when Masicka drop him next song, you have that type of conversation. You know, remember say, the guy that thing pull plug from him. So him now will get now bag of hype up again. You understand? The pressure go reach right now. You see it? Got the bag of hype up and all of them little thing there. We are going to see how film thing will go down. You understand? Because, brother, when you just hype up Masicka, brother, to a level where him not reach it, dog. You understand? That's why every time go overseas, go to show, it expose him. You know?
You know what I say? So it's going to be a hit song war soon. Gaza versus one side. Could you hear myself?
None. Them not lyrical like him. Them not have style like him. Them not have meditation like him. Bro, them not have flow like him. Dog.
The man say, them not have flow like them, not lyrical like him. Them not have style like him or... Bro, no Masicka and she and Skull Missy come out with you. I talk about run up pussy or whatsoever. I talk about 56 in a clip, bro. No Masicka always go live on Instagram like a clown. I chat one bag of madness. What you mean? Masicka not a style, bro. Man, sound like them like a pitney there, brother. Man, shades up on the internet at one bag of loud, nice, bro. The man don't even move like a crocodile, brother. The man don't move like a crocodile. Brother, crocodile silent. You'd have to go trouble like crocodile if crocodile trouble you. Brother, crocodile not just run up on people, so brother. You don't see them stay and you have to go in at them territory, brother. Brother, every day myself do I put out video and the one bag of chatting. Brother, I'm sick in on the brain, dog. I tell you already. But me rate see when I love hype up Masicka. Look at now. It's when him go out there in the world and we see the reaction them, we just call it out. You understand? Cause you know hype up and all of them little thing there, brother. You know ready yet. You understand? Every day you get up, you know size up Masicka with Alkaline, brother. And it just keep on and just expose him. Yeah, man.
So it's going to be a hit song war soon. Gaza versus one side. Could you hear myself?
None. Them not lyrical like him. Them not have style like him. Them not have meditation like him. Bro, them not have flow like him. Dog. Them not have nothing. Like the G, bro.
Yo, is the realist right? So Masicka have the whole of them right now. The whole of the flow, the whole of the melody, the whole of the topics.
The man said nobody now hold no meds like Masicka hold meds, brother. Eh? Masicka hold meds, dog. Bro, every day man come up on the media, man, Shane's called baby Crocs them and come out and a bad up themselves and them know them not bad, brother. That a old mates. Yo, them body a drama, dog, man, I tell you.
No, I could hear.
And I said, dog, say, yo, me versus me. Me am only competition.
Yeah, it might make reference to one of the music video them where Masicka play chess with himself. So him really, he must say a waste of time. Mafia might as well him just use himself as competition because the body can't size up. So yeah, the music video there, I think a Tyrant music video. One of them, Masicka play chess with himself. So all of them sitting there some little symbolism. I don't know, so the dancehall artists do them something.
I know my worst thing is, I some know, you know, really. You see it, people, you see when them found up on the media, that song there, I don't even, I think that song the name all over again, you know. I think of that. Zero the game or something like so. I'm not even Tyrant. But if you see you call out the song and you not even know which song, bro. It sure say you not remember the song them, brother. You not remember. For sure it's a Masicka song. Because if that was a song with you would remember I wish video. But I'm not Tyrant that. You understand? I'm not Tyrant that, brother. Yo, Jano, the man.
More time.
That's why the G say, me versus me I'm only, cause him not a competition, bro. Brother, I force up competition against Masicka, bro.
People, oh man sound like him a cry so. What him sound so? I want him to fool this youth. I'm a crash out so. Eh? Jaja youth.
I try force hard competition for him, bro. He don't really have none. There is none, bro. And then the man kill Nyamili. What people are want with Nyamili is that they want after Master kill Nyamili, must have to continue with forgive Nyamili's strength.
I ask the people and watch it.
I don't understand that, you know, brother. The man say, Masicka kill Nyamili and them want him to give him strength. When a him run. Or if you kill a man and you run, brother. I don't understand this. Or if you kill a man and then after you kill a man, the man drop a next song. I don't understand that, bro. It's not like you drop a song and then you not hear the next song after that. Brother, you run. At this me did know them him are doing, you know, right? You run, bro. That's why you even drop a system song. Cause you did plan for run a long time. Remember say your PR page, quest time, post say, yo, this is your last track, you know. You been a run. Because remember say label say, yo, EP, you know. So you hurry up and run before the EP drop. Cause you want people them to focus on the EP and the EP get radam. You know, see billboard, it not pass normal man the airport. You understand? That's the problem, bro. So all you are say you kill man when, brother, you no drop no track. A family been a drop track. How long after that, brother? You run, brother. You ball and cry about system a fight you. And then you drop death row. And then you just cut. And you run, brother, so you lose. You should have continue. Or when you tell death chance you reschedule, cause you have to kill a boy. I don't say go, brother. You can't run and say how you win, brother. A man still a drop song off of you. When you kill him, people supposed to say, yo, I eat this in a family, I eat this. You run, dog. And then I say you kill man and you know use a card now for you say, yo, I chew them one Masicka for build back family career. Brother, I'm a madman. This is nonsense.
Right now. Who do win the clash? Masicka versus Tamale, in your opinion? Because I don't know, say you have a war different from the battle. You might say a man win the battle, but overall the next man win the war. Because you think say yo, Tamale are them champion and the savior, but when they come on to drop in current hits and dominate the space, it's like Tamale just go back right to spot him the day before the clash. You get me I say?
Masicka no work, so Masicka kill and move on. Because bro, there's nobody there that gonna give Masicka a real competition, bro. Masicka kill them after so many songs, bro. You think Masicka the artist have total for years? Which artists have the capability to total Masicka for years? None.
So wait, so when Sking them and them people I run up on him and all of them like a thing there. How would them do that though? Eh? How would them do that though? Brother, let me tell you about them Crocs man and the dog. Man, them delusional, you freak dog. Yo, I want the most delusional fan base me ever see, brother. The way man them talk, bro, it sound convincing, you freak. I tell you that, but when you look on reality, I say, brother, this man, we see what going on Antigua, brother. Like, bro, these songs wanna say a hit. Brother, the people them not know it. Some of the people them not know the song them, brother. Same like when I'm going to Nigeria with you and the girl say, yo, she not know, say you and Shensia doing a song. She know the song with Shensia, but she not know, say you did it. We see all these things, brother, so what I say, just make no sense.
None, bro. You try to kill Donia, but Donia run away in a nearby bushes. Facts.
Alright, I'm clocked off right there, so. So I say, yo, vendetta people, it's like when I kind of too quiet on the internet these days. I'm not telling a lie. Right now, a genocide around a thing. The man them really get vocal since the clash with Tamale and since the system drop and them say, yo, them artists are disrespect a giant as a vibes cartel. The man them say, yo, internet belong to them right now.
Yo, Wiz, you know you're a hypocrite, dog. You're a real hypocrite, bro. I tell you. Because you usually rep for the Gaza. Now the Crocs and the Gaza fall out. You rep for the Crocs now. See? Then you are going to say, yo, the vendetta man them in the streets, right? But at the end of the day, you have pull up a Crocs, man. Crocs channel, you have pull up. You know, pull up no vendetta, man, for ear while going in the streets. But me understand that. If you say, I don't know, maybe they pan a little PR thing. You see me? But yeah, do your thing still, but if you see y'all listen to them, man, bro, and man, I chat madness, bro, and I feel shit, man, brother. Because you supposed to know that, brother. You see me? For sure, you not even know the man bring up a video with him alone and play chess. And you don't even know which song. For sure, you don't know the song of the video, brother. You talk about Tyrant when Tyrant dropped way before that, brother. I know you.
Vendetta people kind of too quiet right now and too complacent. Alkaline have to give the people, man, give the streets something. Something for wake up and something for get the thing active. Because if not, statements like this are going to run rampant in a dancehall. You know what I mean? And this
Brother, statement like that I could rub rampant in a dancehall. So y'all listen to Crocs vlogger. And I say statement like that, bro. You know money is sick in the dog. What you mean? Brother, everybody in the street, brother, gonna have Alkaline as the bigger artist over Masicka, bro. Anybody where think otherwise, bro, them really sick. Them really sick, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we don't know how Alkaline dropping at this cause. I'm mostly cartel thing I talk about and Tommy Lee. But I kind of realize, are you bring up this vendetta thing, dog? You see me? Because you did the attack, and then you gonna say, yo, the vendetta people them go ray. It shows you, brother, are you a try size up, you know? Are you a try size up, dog? Cause I know me not even say nothing about vendetta. All me am talk about a cartel and the Tommy Lee thing. But me see what you do still, you try build a channel and build a thing still. You see me, you try build back a channel. You don't know you have to just interject Alkaline and them like a thing there. You understand? But you don't know. March 21st, Barclays Center. We will show them how we do it. One vendetta. You understand? People, we don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.